Hello. To check heart rate on the Redmi Note 14, first of all you have to go into the settings, then scroll all the way down and go into additional settings. And again you have to scroll down and go into heart rate right here, and we will have to approve the permissions which are necessary for this to work. And to scan to check your heart rate, you have to put your finger on the fingerprint scanner, and as you can see, here's the information that the scan will be for 15 seconds, and it is not recommended to actually move or talk or anything. Just stay still and wait for the scan to finish, and you will have the most accurate the results. As you can see, my heart rate is 87, and it might be different when you're actually moving or when you're talking. So yeah, as I just said, it's better to not move and just stay still until the scan completes. And yeah, basically that's how to do it. That's how to check your heart rate. Thank you for watching.